So how do you sync the iCloud notes to the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this. So if you have some notes saved to your iCloud, it would make sense to open up your settings app of the iPhone, where you can locate your profile picture at the top, your profile section and all of that. And you will be able to go to the iCloud where all of the apps can be synced. So every single application has like the toggle in there, and you can see that Notes has its place as well. So you want to make sure it's turned on, that it gets synchronized, and also you can see how much data, so you can manage the storage for that if you really wanted to. So that's something which you're gonna do. Keep in mind, however, that perhaps it is turned on your device. Just pay attention to the proper organization of your Notes app, because if you go there, you can see I have my local storage as well as the iCloud notes, right? So I can always go there, perhaps set up a brand new folder. So when you are browsing something, just go back left, clicking the left arrow, and see if you are using or accessing iCloud or local storage for your notes, right? So it depends on how you have it set up, but just make sure that you are accessing the proper notes. But at the end of the day, you can still just open up your web browser, like go to Safari, go to iCloud.com. And if you really wanted to, you can also just access your iCloud notes that way, which is not ideal by any means, but it would be possible through that method as well, right? So you can sign in through the web version and see the data as well. So let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later in the future. Thanks a lot. I'm going to talk to you later.